Global open discussions. I'm not sure if the Kezzis or buzzards and that, but there's actually two of them. Three now, there's three. There's three flying about. God, they're nice to see them, isn't it? Anyway, we're up at Danse Dyke. Beautiful day. We've got Dougie with us, whatever he's got to. But we're going to go for a walk with our Dougie. I think he's over there somewhere. This is there, look. Dougie the puggy. There's he. There's buzzing. We're going to have a walk around Danse Dyke and then we've got to do my school run again. Anyway, on that number, eyes open, be safe, because truth's out there.